Welcome to Chef Clark's place. Gonna show how we use this tool. Very cool pineapple core. My Aunt Diane hasn't used one, and she's gonna show my grandmother how to use this thing. So very cool. If you don't know what this is, I think they're cheap, like a few bucks. I don't know. In any event, here's what you do. Slice them. And then I try to center this thing right about centered. And then just kind of start it and try to make sure you're pretty much vertical. And then I just keep pressure down, and you can either spin this, spin that down into it, or I usually just rotate the pineapple. And then I usually go all the way through the bottom, but you can tell when it's done. And then I stop pushing and I just rotate, and then just kind of pull this up out of there. And you can kind of see what it does there.
You can still cut this up and
oh yeah, I snack on this part
snack on the part in there.
And then this comes off, and you can either take the full Monty here, that it's all one ring, but what I usually do is I usually just take and slice down it, and then you've got all your rings, just they're all individual rings. So I will take, and what I usually do is you just kind of throw them out on a plate or something, however you're gonna do it. And there's your sliced up pineapple. Look at that. Isn't that just amazing?
What else is nice is what's down inside the tube.
Oh yeah, it's cored.
Is the core.
So it cores it for you.
So it's too hard to eat.
Yeah, this is really
tough.
There's no meatiness to it.
No.
And then usually I just cut this into 4, and then you can kind of, there's still some meatiness to that. It doesn't do a perfect job getting everything, but it does great. I highly recommend picking one up.
It gets all over the juices, all over your face.
See.
Yeah. And it drips down your front.
That's it for pineapple corn. Hope you like, Grandma, Diane, everybody. It's got me choked up. Thanks for watching.